Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lena. How are you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing really well. So guys, today I'm going to try this really crazy face mask. It's the bubble face mask, oxygen bubble face mask, and this is by Shvyog. And these people were really sweet to send me their product. They wanted me to try this, and I'm so excited to try. I've seen a lot of people trying this bubble face mask. This is my first time, so let's start now. So guys, this is what it looks like. This box is really cute. I'll open it now. Nice, cute pink bottle. Oh, it comes like this. So I'm just gonna remove some product out. Okay. Let's see the directions. How do you apply this? Okay, everything is written in Korean or Japanese. So I'm just gonna see these pictures and figure it out. Okay, you just press it and then you apply it on your face. Okay, I think it says leave for 10 minutes. So let's try this. Okay, so I'm gonna apply it now on my face. It smells good. Let's wait and watch if this thing starts bubbling. Oh my god. Can you guys see it? Look at this. It's just been like 2 minutes, that's it. Feel that tingliness. You'll have this kind of ticklish kind of feeling because you know those bubbles are actually coming up. Look at this. Okay, see this. Oh my god. I wish I could read all the ingredients, but I don't understand much. Okay, it's been 10 minutes now and look at this. Look at my face. This is crazy. So I'm just gonna remove this. I'm just gonna use a towel. Okay, guys. How crazy is this? Okay guys, so I just wiped it off, and I mean the product is so cute, and I didn't really see a lot of difference, but I think it's nice. So they've also sent this milk cream. I think you're supposed to apply it after you apply the mask. So I'm going to do that now. This is so that it calms your skin a bit. So that's it guys. I think this face mask is really cute, but I didn't see a lot of difference, but it didn't harm my skin. You know, there's no redness or anything. I think it's really nice face mask. And if you guys want me to try some crazy face mask or any beauty products like this, let me know in the comment section below. And also I'm on Instagram, please follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.